Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Experiencing connection issues with your PS5 and the PlayStation Network can be super frustrating, right? You just want to play your games or maybe connect with friends. These problems are actually quite common, but the good news is most of them have really straightforward solutions. We've put together a simple, step-by-step guide to help you troubleshoot and get back online fast so you can enjoy your gaming. Let's begin with the basics, which often solve most problems. First, try restarting your PS5 fully, not just rest mode, then power cycle your internet router and modem. After that, double-check your own internet connection stability with another device just to rule out local issues. Finally, always visit the official PlayStation Network server status page. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end at all, but with their services. Now, let's dive into your PS5's own network settings. Start by performing a test internet connection directly from the console to get a detailed report. If that doesn't resolve it, try manually changing your DNS settings to a public DNS like Google's or Cloudflare's. This can often improve connectivity. And remember, if you can, always opt for a wired Ethernet connection over Wi-Fi, as it offers superior stability and speed. Sometimes, the issue might be with your console's internal system. Consider rebuilding your PS5's database by starting it in safe mode. This process can often clear up corrupted data without deleting your games. Additionally, always make sure your PS5 system software is completely up to date. New updates frequently include bug fixes and stability improvements. Don't forget to check for updates on the specific game or app you're trying to access too. If you've tried everything and still can't connect, a factory reset of your PS5 is a last resort, but make sure to back up your data beforehand. It essentially gives your console a fresh start. Alternatively, don't hesitate to contact PlayStation support directly. They can offer personalized assistance and advanced diagnostics. Keep in mind, the gaming community is vast and supportive, so sharing your specific problem online might also lead to a solution from fellow players.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.